So we have just received our product key. Okay, I just buy the quick kill antivirus of latest version. Okay, it's a quick kill antivirus pro version. So first you just go to the quick kill site. After that you submit the product key. After that you submit. Okay, and you will have the access to download it. So after that you just install it. Okay, and there will be an option of registering itself. Okay, so register yourself. After that you will get that interface. So first it's showing the status, protection, privacy, performance. Okay, after that in the status section you can scan now. So it's performing the quick scan. You can see it. So it's happening, and you can show the process. So you can see the process are going on. Okay, after that the scanning is completed successfully. After that you can go to the protection section, and you can also come to the privacy. To that system explorer, you can refresh it. Yeah, so let's close it. After that you can clean your track also. So check all. After that start cleaning. You can see it, tracks cleaning completed. So close. After that you can use this mode also. The status is secure, so my system is secure now.